Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel.
Today we are going to draw and color a cute tooth with a toothbrush.
Let's start drawing.
Let's draw a really simple tooth like this. Now let's draw a cute face for our tooth. I start with her pretty eyes like this. Then I draw her smiling mouth. On the right side, I draw a simple toothbrush. And finally, some toothpaste. Very good!
Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring.
For his mouth, I use 2 different shades of red. For the brush, I use the colors of the rainbow: red, orange, then yellow, light green, blue, purple, pink. I continue with fuchsia. For the toothpaste, I use green, red, blue. Very good!
If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.